Okay, y'all. Y'all know how to cook some ground beef. I'm on my lunch break, so I'm in a hurry. Cut up your onion and bell pepper, seasoning. I use Italian seasoning, garlic, whatever you like in your spaghetti. I did not soften up my vegetables because it's going to cook in my sauce. I let my sauce simmer for a while, and they're going to soften up. I normally use 5 cheese. They didn't have none, so I used what I got. Over salt the water, undercook the pasta because it's going to cook in the oven. There's the sauce. Make my own sauce because I don't like that mess in the jar. Don't talk about my spoon. I don't usually use the spoon in my pot, but I'm on my lunch break. I'm in a hurry. Some garlic, some butter, some heavy cream. Season it like you want it. Season it like you want it. Italian seasoning. I don't put much seasoning in there because it's all in my sauce. Stir it up until it get thick. Once it get thick, your sauce is done. Put the spaghetti in a pan. Remember, it's undercooked because it's gonna finish cooking in the oven. Look at it. It's looking so good. Yeah, I'm using fake parmesan. Pour it over it. Layer it like a lasagna. Add some more cheese on top. I think I used some mozzarella. You're gonna pop it in the oven in like 350. Let it all melt together. Remember, I'm on my lunch break. I'm in a hurry. Y'all not gonna see me eat it at the end because I'm taking it back to my desk and eat it. Look at it. It looks so good. Y'all get the idea. Everybody know how to cook spaghetti, but this the millionaire spaghetti. It was good, but I'm not a real spaghetti person. My family is, but it was good. All right, y'all. I'll holler at you. Look at it. I know I'm supposed to let it cool off, but I didn't care. It's spaghetti. It's supposed to be mixed together. It ain't no lasagna. Look at it. All that cheese. Oh, it's so good. So